Okay. Yeah.
Palakpakan po natin ang ating Vice Mayor, Josefina Hinigat-Navarra.
Okay. Okay. Habang pumapanayag, i-ready na po natin para sa ating unang part. Handa na magiging makabayan ang pag-awit ng ating pambansang awit. Kaya naman namin inibita.
At sa ating Christmas celebration. At siyempre ang ating pong mga kapitan na naandito. Kapitan Lonnie Leyva ng Barangay Dalig, palakpakan natin. Kapitan Yandro Cabasbas ng Barangay San Roque.
Si JC Rivera nandyan? Si JC Rivera. Yung artista.
Pupunta-punta ako dito mga pag-promote. Abangan po natin yan. And happy fiesta! Enjoy pa tayo!
Ayun na pala!
And that wraps up our judges for today's marching band exhibition.
And we have our criteria for judging: tone, quality, and intonation, accuracy, and definition. Music, 40%. We have quality of technique.
Thank you very much, Brian, for the criteria of judging. And let's proceed na. Sino ba ang unang magpe-presenta sa atin?
Yes, the Polo Youth Concert has participated in numerous festivities in Antipolo, nearby towns and provinces. As of now, the band has about 60 members, mostly high school and college students. The band principal conductor is retired Major Sergeant Ernesto Tile, is Philippine Army, assisted by Conductor Raymond.
After competition, ayan guys, competition ng panunod ng drum and lyre. Ayan, nagpahinga muna kami, nandito kami sa mall, kumain muna kami sa Jollibee, and after namin kumain sa Jollibee, eto, nanguupo muna kami dito. Wala dyan si Liro wala kaming budget ang laro. Nakiupo lang kami dito sa upuan. So, ayan guys. So, thank you for watching. Sana is napasaya namin o napasaya ko kayo sa mga videos kanina sa drum and lyre. Sana is panoorin nyo pa guys. Ulitin nyo guys. Charot. Thank you. Bye!